Now students, after completing your work in English workbook, please take out your English workbook. That was cursive workbook. Please take out your English workbook. And English workbook, you have to open the page number 68, 69. Okay, here we are going to do revision of letters. We are going to do practice of letter capital Y and letter small y. Please mention today's date over here and put tick on classwork. Same here. Please mention today's date and put tick on classwork. Students, here we are going to write letter Y, capital Y. Say trace and write. You know the sound of Y. Y, ya, yam. Y says ya. So let's see the formation, how to write. First step is we have to make one slant line from red line to blue line. Second step, we have to go up from blue line to red line. Third step, we have to make one standing line. Okay, see, first step, second step and third step. Which letter is this? It's letter Y, capital Y. Which letter is this? Capital Y. Speak with me. Which letter I am writing? I am writing capital Y. Y ya yak. Y ya yolk. Y ya yo-yo. Y ya yam. Okay students, in this way you have to complete the page number 6868. As you already done practice in book number 6, 7 also. Okay, now please take out the page number 9. Here we are going to learn small y. Okay, so let's see the formation of small y. For writing small y, the first step, we have to keep your pencil on blue line and make one slant line like this. And the second step is keep the pencil on this blue line and go down to the red line. Small letter Y. Which letter is this? Small letter Y. Speak with me. Small letter Y. Small y. Which y is this? It's small y. Small y. Y says ya. Y says ya. Y ya yawn. Y ya yak. Y ya yo-yo. Please make sure your writing should be neat and clean, and please focus on your formation. While writing, you have to speak and write. Okay, now you have to complete these two pages, 68 and 69. After completing these two pages, you have to open the page number 7070 and 7171 as well. Okay, here also you have to mention today's date and put tick on classwork. On this also, please mention today's date and put tick on classwork. Okay, so students, here we are going to learn the letter Z, capital letter Z. Okay, so let's see the formation. And what is the sound of letter Z? Z says Z. Z says Z. So let's see the formation of letter Z. You have to keep your pencil on red line. Make one small sleeping line. Then one slant line from red line to blue line. Again a small sleeping line. This is capital Z. Which letter is this? Capital Z. Z says Z. Z says Z. Z says Z. Z za zinnia. Z za zoo. Z za zebra. Z za zip. Z za zither. Z za zero. Okay students, in this formation you have to follow for writing the capital letter Z on page number 70. Now come on the page number 7171. Here we are going to write small letter Z. The formation is same, but it's small in size. Okay, so for writing small Z we required only these two lines. Okay, we have not required the red line. So make one sleeping line from blue line on blue line, then make one slant line from blue line to blue line, again a sleeping line on blue line. Small letter Z. Which letter is this? Small letter Z. Speak with me. Which letter is this? Small letter Z. Speak. Small letter Z. Z za 0. Z's a zebra, Z's a zoo, Z's a zip. Okay students, in this way you have to complete these 4 pages, page number 68, 69, 70 and 71 in English workbook. Okay students, thank you.